Hi guys, thanks for coming. Guys, can you listen to me? Hi. Oh, Marcus. How are you, Marcus? Long time no see, eh? How are you, Marcus? Oh, Amirul. Hi. Praveen. Hi. How about the others? Hello, Ridwan. Wow, nice. Okay, so you know what our agenda for tonight, right? So we will create a simple microservice. Then we will integrate with React.js. All right, Jackie, hi. All right, I'm fine. I'm fine. Praveen, how are you? Okay, so before we start, so make sure you install Node.js. So you can open Chrome. Uh, oh, still jobless. I think many people jobless nowadays because COVID, right? I think this is the right time to enhance our skill. Oh, Hilmi, hi. Okay, make sure you already install Node.js. Okay, so we will use 12.16. Okay, use the latest version, not the 13, because uh, um, I'm not sure is it okay or not. Okay, one request. Yes. What's your request? You only have three wishes. Oh, Iqbal, hi. Right. Okay. So once you install, I think maybe I also want to install the latest version. Okay. So you can check your Node.js version once you install. So mine is 12.15. Right now is 12.16, right? Yeah. So you can install new this one. So if I already, I think no issue, but I'm not sure is it okay or not. I think no issue. Yeah, because I more towards stable version, right? Okay, so maybe you can close the. Okay, so make sure you have your own ID, because I'm using Visual Studio Code. So if you want to use other than VS Code, also can. You can use Sublime or Notepad plus plus. I think Notepad plus plus to. Uh, I think stick with the if VS Code also can. Depends depends. So my version 13, I think it's okay 13, right? So once you install, so you can open again your if you using Windows, open your CMD. If Mac, you open your terminal lah. So you can type node v. So I got 12.16 lah, right? So if you want to check npm version, oh sorry, is npm-v. Okay, so you will get 6.13, right? So this is for npm. Okay, once you done, so you can install Postman because we want to test the API later on, alright? Okay. So you can install this one, Postman. So if you're using Insomnia also, okay, no issue. No issue at all, right? So let's say if you have any question, you can ask us, right? Okay, so you can Okay, so change to your desktop. Okay, wait. So before we create a new project, so once you install Postman, right? I want you guys to install like mine. I'm using mem, okay, because we want to uh, create a new database because later on we want to store some data from there. Okay, so if you're using WAM or what we call mem WAM, I think it's okay. It's up to you. It depends. As long you have the MySQL, I think okay. I think it's okay. Right? Okay. I'm using mem, so I can open my uh, PHP my admin. Okay. Right. Bro, you Malaysian? I found this post from. Yeah, I'm Malaysian. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, because kita bersaudara, right? Indonesia and Malaysia. Okay. So, okay. What? Make sure you already enable your server. I think it's okay if you have Apache. Nginx also can, as long as you can run localhost. And then the MySQL server. Okay, make sure you enable these two. Okay, then you need to change the directory. So for our training tonight, so we will use our own desktop as our workspace. Okay, so you can change the directory into desktop. Okay, so you already changed to desktop. Okay, and then you can create a new. You need to um, you need to run npm init Okay. Oh, Marcus. Bro, bad timing. Got to go. Oh, it's okay. Later on, you can watch again, right? All right. So you need to run npm init because we want to create a new uh, package.json file, right? Okay, but before that, you need to create a new folder. Okay, because we don't want to mess up the workspace, so create new folder. Maybe we can name it as uh, what's the project name, cdn api. Okay, so name it as cdn dash api. Okay. Oh, no problem, Marcus. Take care. All right, so change the directory. I think the folder name, and you can name it anything, but mine I'm using cdn-api. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So okay. Right now you can trigger the npm init. Okay. So if you open this folder, it's empty, right? Okay. So if I run npm init, so new file will appear. Okay, package.json. Okay, so you need to enter the details, but this one I want to name it as cdn. Yeah, cdn lah. Okay, cdn version just I think default, man. Just enter. Okay, description, enter. It's up to you. You want to fill out or not, right? So entry point index.js, enter, just make it default, test command, enter, enter, keyword, enter, nothing to fill up. Okay, so this is your default package.json. Okay, so this is your directory, my directory. Yeah. Okay, once done, yes. See, so new file appear. Okay, okay, done, you guys. Okay, will this video will save and later be uploaded into YouTube? Yes, it will be public. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, once done, you can open this using VS Code. So you can open. Okay, it's quite slow. Okay, so go to desktop. CDN API. Open. Okay. Okay, sorry there for some screaming here. Okay. Okay, maybe it's quite slow. Okay. Okay, make sure you can open this folder. Okay, next you need to install. So right now you install via npm. So you want to install using terminal can. You want to install using VS Code. VS Code also can. Okay, so view terminal. Okay, so I will close this one. Okay, this is your terminal. Okay, I'll make it big. Okay, so can you see, right? Right. So you need to install Express JS. So wait, so my computer quite slow. I'm not sure why. So maybe it's downloading new component. Maybe it's a part of. Okay. Okay. So we try take a look here. Express JS. Okay. Okay. So we will use this. Okay, Express.js, right? Then we will install MySQL. Okay. So how to do that? I think we need to wait this one. Still downloading. Quite slow. Okay, I think while we waiting this one, do you have any questions you want to ask? Okay, alright. So far no question. Okay, you can install in pm install. So express MySQL and save. Okay, so we'll save inside your directory. Yeah, if yeah. So the command like this. Okay, enter. Okay. Installing. Installing. Yes. So no question, you guys. Okay. So once you done install, so you can check inside your package.json, right? So this is your Express.js and MySQL. Okay. Right. Next. Okay. So go to your your data MySQL here. Okay. So you can create new database. Okay, loading. Okay, you can create here. You can name it as guys. Okay. So name it as CDN, then create. Okay. So once then you go to SQL tab. Because we want to create a new table called users. Okay. So I want to explain a little bit about our what we want to create right now. Is we want to create a new simple microservice that can provide API endpoint to create new user. So we can retrieve the user record, retrieve, update, and delete. Okay. Okay. So create table users. Okay. Then user ID. Okay, I think too small. Okay. Okay, so user ID, so integer burn not null, auto increment, then username varchar 250 not null. Okay, and email varchar 250. Okay, the length. Okay, not null. Then phone number. Okay, actually we want to create a directory for freelancer, right? So later on we will using React.js, okay, as our UI. Baca 250 null. Skill sets, okay. So baca 500 null. Okay, make it bigger here. Okay, hobby baca. I got baca 500 not null. Okay, then date created. So in that times data type not null. Date updated that time not null. Okay, then we get a primary key, user ID. Okay, then using this engine Node.db for charset Latin 1. Okay, auto increment. So we set 1. Okay, you guys done this one? Okay, do you have any questions so far? So once done, you can click go. Okay, then a new table will be created. Okay, I know you guys still typing, right? So I'm waiting for question before we can proceed. So if let's say no question, you just type okay or no question. So I can proceed to the next part. Wow, you guys busy, typing. Hello guys, you guys okay? Say okay on it. Iqbal, are you okay? Faiz, Helmi, Mirul, Iqbal. Oh, Iqbal, I mentioned his name 2 times. Praveen. Alright, Skydream. Okay, next. Okay. So once done, you can click OK. So this is your table. Okay, a new table called users. Alright. Please check, make sure it's correct. Alright. Okay, boss Shafi. Okay, tengah typing lagi. Alright, Merul. Okay. So next, okay, what's next? Okay. So create a new file. We name it as index.js. Okay. Then you need to import MySQL. Okay. So MySQL require MySQL. Okay, make sure you put semicolon. Okay, then var MySQL connection. MySQL dot create connection. Okay. So here you will do some configuration. Okay, your MySQL setting, your database setting. Then host localhost. Then user. Okay, user username database, your database username. Okay, mine my mem by default using root. Okay, so password also root. It depends on your MySQL setting. Okay, mine so password root. Then database, your database name. Okay, so database name CDN. Okay. Okay, so this is socket path is this is for only for Mac user. For Windows, no need socket path. Okay, so my What's my socket? Socket path. Mem socket path. Okay. Okay, because I'm not sure where's my socket. I just copy from here. Okay. So for socket pass only for Mac user, Windows, Linux no need. Okay. Let me type here for Mac user. Okay. Then we can check my connection. Connect. So check if error. Then console.log database. So let's say if success, we let user know success. Okay. If fail, else, then console.log database connection fail. Then we put some error message here. Okay. Error. Okay. JSON.signify error undefined. Okay. So we can check using a terminal. So you can check not index.js. See, database connection success. So you guys got what message you got? So I'm getting database connection success. So how about you guys? Okay, can I proceed? Okay, you guys okay? Do you have any question? Yes, you can. All right. So, okay. Right now, we want to retrieve. We want to retrieve all the users. Okay. Next, you can create new variable. Express. We import this. Okay. Require express. Then for app express constant body parser require body parser. Then app.use body parser dot json. Okay. Then we listen to port 300. 300. Sorry, 3000. App dot listen. Okay. 3000. Console dot log and server running on port 2000. Okay, then we create the API endpoint here. So app.get so the URL is users require key res. So this request and then this response. Okay, so later on we will test on using Postman. Okay, then we create a new simple MySQL query. So MySQL MySQL connection the query. Okay, select all from users. Okay, rows, fields. Okay, right. Okay, then we do the checking. If let's say no error, so we send the response. If error, so we show the error message. Okay, so if not no error at all, okay, res dot send rows. Okay, then console log rows. So console log is will appear inside terminal but response you can get from Postman later on. Okay, so let's say error else. So console dot log error. Okay. Right. So I think you can end. Then run again. Okay. So server running on port 3000. Okay. So you can get the you can okay, open your Postman. quite slow. Okay. Okay, loading, keep loading. Okay, no question so far. All clear. Wow, still loading. Okay, finally. Okay. So we try to run localhost. This one. So localhost port number 3000 users. Okay, wait. Let me check again. So get. So we're using get method, right? So get right? Send. Okay, it's empty because no data, right? So you need to insert some data, some records. So here, show inside terminal. So you can insert some info here. So try to insert like Nordin 89, and then email, then number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, skill sets. So Python, PHP, JavaScript, and SQL. So hobby. What's my hobby? Pokemon cards. So they created. Okay. I think it's okay. You just enter manually. So later on we will trigger from the postman. Okay. So insert. So this is your new record. Okay. So only one record. Then we try to run again. So this is your response. Okay, from the database. So if you check inside here, so inside terminal, so they show the record. Okay, collecting Pokemon card. Yeah, collecting. Yes. Why? That's my hobby. Okay, do you have any question? I just got it here. Is it Node.js? Yes, that's correct. Node.js. Yeah. Okay, do you have any question before I proceed? Because next we will show specific record based on ID. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? No questions at all. Can I proceed? Okay, you guys still typing, eh? So I still waiting for the questions. So what I can do with Node.js? Whoa, you can do many things, bro. It's inimaginable, right? There are lots. Okay. So page down. What's your planning when you learn about Node.js? What's your future planning? Because Node.js is quite trending. Okay. Also, big company also use Node.js for as their to create their own microservices. Okay. So no questions, guys. No question. I can proceed. Can I proceed now? Or do you guys need? Sorry for this question. I'm new. Oh, don't worry, brother. Don't worry. So page down. You from Indonesia? Why your name page down 012? I think when settle MCO, I want to eat some, you know, I'm craving, steak. Okay, quite lamb chop. Oh, privacy. Page down, privacy. Yeah, I respect your privacy. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, so no question, guys. Can I proceed? Hmm. So you guys busy, yeah? I hope you can. You guys can answer even simple question also can. I try to answer. Yes, go on. Hendra Sadewa. Wow. Lanjut, lanjut. Proceed. Okay. Alright, right. So next we will create next API endpoint. So type this API get users. Oh sorry, user. Okay, ID. Okay. So request response. Then MySQL connection. So we create a next query. So query select all from users where user ID. Okay, user ID equal to what? Okay, we set the parameter here. Okay, so request, you get request the parameter ID, the user ID. Okay, so error fields. Okay. So like usual, okay, semicolon, not forget. If error, then rest dot send. Okay. Console dot log. Okay. Else console dot log error. Okay. Save. Don't forget to save. So I'm using get method. So this is a URL user ID. So we get a parameter here. The URL parameter. Then we run the query. So if let's say match with user ID, then we throw the specific record. So right now, we try run users slash. So user ID 1, right? So 1 send. Okay, user ID. Okay, so there's some mistake here. Okay, so you need to restart and wait, you need to end first. Okay, then run again. Okay, then send. So this is your. So if you notice, this is the new response. Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? Can I proceed? Okay, proceed. All right. Okay. Next. So next we will create a new API. Okay. We try to end this one first. Okay. 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 Next API endpoint. We want to create a new record. User record. So app.post. So we're using post method. User requirement. Okay. Then let user requirement dot body. Okay. Right. Then we create a new query. Okay. Insert into users and username, email, okay, phone number, skill sets, hobby, date created, date updated. Okay, then we add some wait, this one need to close yet. Okay, values. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 values, eh? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we're using now to get the current date time. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, we can use the MySQL connection dot query, then SQL. Okay, then we can get user. So get it from here, right? User dot username. Okay, user dot email. User user dot phone number. Okay, is it correct? Phone number. User dot skill set. User dot hobby. Okay. User dot date created. Okay. So user dot date updated. And we add some error rows fields. Okay, so like usual we show some, let's say if no error. Okay, can proceed lah. Okay, so if no error, so rest dot send. Okay, which we tell the user is a successfully created. Okay, if not, show the error message. Console log. Okay, so you can run. Okay, right, so open your Postman. So this one user, right? Okay, remove the parameter, change the method, then body raw. Okay, then we send. So make sure in JSON format, username. Okay, what username? VV Yusuf. Okay. Email. VV at Gmail. VV at Gmail. Is it VV Yusuf the username like this? I'm not sure. VV Yusuf. Petition. Okay. VV Yusuf. Oh, okay. So name like that. Yusuf gmail.com. Okay, then what? Phone number. Okay, I don't know her phone number. So I just type out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then what? Skill set. What's her skill sets? Uh, what? Business. Okay. Hobby. Mm, business. I don't know her hobby. Okay. So send. Okay. User successfully created. Okay. Check the DB right. Browse. Okay, so this a new record here, right? Okay. Oh, Hendra, could you use promising await rather than callback when during query? Actually, yes, yes, can do. Yeah. But no, not covered for this one. Maybe I can show you on next live streaming. Okay. Okay. So you guys, do you have any questions so far? Okay. Okay, guys. Any questions? Okay, guys. Okay, can I proceed? Can I proceed? Okay, guys. Are you okay? Can we move to the next part? Okay, guys. Hello. Because our next step will be we will create um, update, okay, update an API endpoint and then delete. Okay, because we almost done for this for Node.js part, because we got another part for React.js. Proceed. All right. Okay, so this okay, so for update we will use put method so app dot put, okay, user, then requirement response. Okay, so let user request body. Okay, so var SQL, so I think we create new query, update query. So update users, set username, okay, email, right, phone number, skill set, hobby, what hobby, okay, date created, again this one, date created, oh sorry, I think you need to cut down like this. Okay, so date created, and no, I think not dot created, nothing, no need. Date updated, so date updated now. Where user ID, okay, then MySQL connection dot query SQL, okay, then user dot username, user dot email, user dot phone number, user dot what skill sets, user dot hobby, okay, user dot date updated, then user dot user ID. Yeah, because we want to send this one, right, to here, user ID we want to match. Okay, then rows fields, okay, so if error console.log, then we show the ID. Okay, the successfully updated user ID. Okay. So we press dot send. So we show the message user successfully updated. Okay. Console.log and else console.log error. Okay, save. Okay, so go to your postman, change to put. Okay, then we need to send user ID. User ID. So let's say user ID. So I want to change her hobby business into playing PS4. Okay, to so hobby. I want to change this one business into playing PS4. Okay, send. Okay, you need to restart. Sorry, you need to restart again. Restart. Run. Send. Okay, users have been updated. So business, right? Close again. Then okay, loading. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, so quite weird. Nothing happened. So you guys know which part got some issue here. User ID. Okay, user ID. Is it this one user ID too? Okay, I think no issue here. User ID. So let's say if I run this one, right, get user ID 2. It's supposedly already updated. Okay. So is it the problem here? User.hobby. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I cannot update this record number 2. Try to send again. Oh wait. It say updated, but in here still not updated. Hobby still showing the old one. Okay. Okay, still showing business. Okay. Okay, do you guys can update? I'm not sure, but because mine cannot update. You guys can update. I'm not sure what's the problem here. I think the parameter is correct, right? So you guys can update. Yeah, because it said Chrome rows match. I think 0. Yeah. Let me restart first. Okay, clear. Node.js. Okay, run. Then send. See. Wait. Is it because this one text? Not sure. Okay, quite weird. So user ID here, user ID. So you guys can update, guys. Because I cannot update, Is it the problems is from here? Sure. Let me try. Oh, cannot put two, User two. Quite weird, I'm not sure what's the mistake here. Guys, are you okay? You guys okay? I think no need to put this one. Maybe we can try. I'm not sure. Just try my luck. Wait, why cannot? Okay, updated. Then check user home. So successfully updated. Alright. So I just remove the date updated. Okay, we show like this. Okay, you guys can. So you guys can do it. Okay, can proceed to the last API endpoint, which is delete. So we almost done for our microservices. Can can we try using patch? No, because we're using put method. Okay, others can I proceed? Okay, again. All right. So next, last API endpoint, which is delete. Okay, we can. Okay, so I think this one API. App dot delete. Okay, so user ID. Okay, we delete. Then request rest. So MySQL connection. Dot query delete from users where user ID. Okay, requirement request dot params dot id and rows field. Okay. Okay. So if no error, so rest dot send user successfully deleted. Okay, console dot log. Oops. Okay, else console dot log. Okay, so run one more time. Okay, then wait. Okay, delete, right? Delete method. So select delete. So I want to delete this record. So user to send users have already deleted. Okay, when I refresh, okay, only one record. Okay, maybe can try this one. Okay, users get send. Okay. So only one record left. Okay, so done with our microservices. Okay, right. So do you have any question? I think I just finish it for part one. So maybe part two I can make it on next time. I will announce okay, on the um I will announce okay, later on. So maybe we just complete for part 1. So part 1 your microservices. Then part 2 we will integrate with React.js. So do you guys have any questions so far? Or you guys want to proceed with React.js? Okay. So you guys okay? So maybe we just finish our microservices. So next on the for part 2 we will integrate with React.js. Okay. So I think that's all for part 1. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay. So if you guys do have any question, I will end the live streaming. Okay, so thank you very much for joining our class. So next part I will announce on Facebook group, or maybe you can um, yeah, because I'm not sure want to proceed with integration with React.js or not, because you guys, it depends on you guys. If you want to proceed React.js, I can proceed. I can continue right now. If let's say if you want to continue next time, so I can end the live streaming. So what do you think, guys? So great, thanks. All right, all right. So I will end this class for this. So this one is a part 1. Okay, for part 2 I will announce later on. Okay, thank you very much for joining this live streaming, and